For today's video mga call, pag lumabas yung air system service ninyo call, dito nyo hanapin call hanapin nyo yun dito yung maintenance, hanapin nyo yung service data reset, pindutin ninyo, tapos pindutin nyo yung 6, hanapin nyo yung 5 ha, 5. Okay, 6, okay, 7, okay, hanapin nyo yung 8, okay, lalabas ang dryer, air dryer, okay, yes. Magre-reset na yan siya call. Okay. Tapos next service, yes. Kalas, mawawala na yung air system service. Thank you for watching.